72% of marketers use 2 to 5 audience data types in their campaigns, but only 10% are very confident they're reaching the right accounts. The challenge isn't a lack of data, it's how it's used. Real outcomes require the right signals layered into a cohesive data recipe. That's where Bombora's digital audiences change the game. We transform data into high-performing, addressable audiences for campaign targeting. Imagine you're a cloud provider targeting software companies. With Bombora, you can layer job function, seniority, industry, and intent data to reach IT decision makers actively researching cloud solutions. From firmographics and B2B demographics to behavioral and company surge intent data, plus specialized partner signals unlocked through our curated ecosystem audiences, Bombora helps you build the right data recipe for your unique objectives. Deployed seamlessly across channels and formats to reach your buyers wherever they are. Activate smarter audience strategies with Bombora.